Here's a quick look at the market for Tuesday, October the 6th, 2009 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Well, we had mentioned when we had left yesterday that the 36 area was kind of a key price, and I was actually thinking it had a better chance, a better than 50% chance of moving back down, but we obviously don't trade based on that. We trade on what really happens, and we knew that that 35 to 37 area, if the market could hold above that, then it was obviously much more bullish than bearish, and obviously it did rally. Spent a fair amount of time overnight down here, and then had a rally later in the overnight session. Most of the volume in here, which is where it opened, and had a good move higher. So, that kind of thing, obviously much more bullish than bearish, and it hit around that 57 area of the known resistance. So we're looking right now more of a concentrated, basically 42 to 55 areas as far as support and resistance goes for right now. Here's our individual profiles. The previous one, of course, had this is the overnight session. I should have mentioned that, is that what we like to do on these profiles here is we divide them. This is the Globex, or the overnight session, and these profiles right here are the day session only, 9:30 to 4:15 Eastern Time. So what we also like to take a look at are the day session only profiles, and the way we divide them up here is that they have a lettered component as well as a volume component, and we use these. So every day it's actually got two profiles. It has a volume and a lettered profile, and so this is the one that we had today. As far as our trades were concerned, we only had two trades today. They both worked out really great. We had an early trade long in here, a move for some 3.5 points, and so easily reaching our first two objectives, and a gain of 2 points on the final partial position on that trade. And then it moved up. We got long again once more just before it had another substantial move up, and that one moved about 4.5 points in our favor. We were able to take out 3 points on the final partial on that trade. So just the two trades today, both worked out really nicely. I think the net result was over $500 based on trading 4 contracts just for today alone. So we're continuing to have really good results now that our filter's in place. You can see that we're taking these long trades with the green filter like that. It's only 10 trades so far this month, but made money on 9 of them, so very pleased about that. And these are very objective trades. We use the structure of the market. We bring it down into a readable format from our way of looking at the market, which is really as an auction process. So no technical indicators or anything like that, just based on the structure of the market and the auction process. If you'd like to know more information, just send us an email. I'd love to hear from you. info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Can always we can show you the software in real time if you'd like to see it, or answer any of your other questions. So look forward to hearing from you. That'll be it for today. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you again tomorrow.